This is the KM Outlaw series cut down. It has 4 interchangeable inserts. Gonna do this real quick. This is the shorty coming out. MC50 going in. MC50 out. This is the flared keyhole going in. Flared keyhole coming out. This is the tapered keyhole going in. Tapered keyhole coming out. And all 4 of these inserts will interchange with the KM Outlaw Cut-Down series barrel. That's one of the good things about the KM Outlaw Cut-Down. You can get 4 duck calls for the price of 1.